The market is nice and green right now. As you all know, do not trade the bias, trade the trades. Just because it's green doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. And everybody remember, typically, if the market runs up in the pre-market, what's it typically do at the open?
Pull back.
That's right. And why is that?
People taking money.
That's
Getting
right.
their money.
Yes, people collecting their money from the previous day, right? So if you see it run up like it's doing right here, typically we'll watch for a pullback. Now, the thing with the pullbacks, though, right? We don't know how much it pulls back. We don't know when it's going to find support. This is why, though, these major areas that we have charted out, right? These are going to help us to see when we are going to start to find support. You can see there's a lot of traffic right here, right? So to me, this should be a major level of support right there, right there, right there, right there, a little bit of there, right there, right there, right there, right there, and right there, right? We'll see. We don't know. This is why you never know. You can see right here why this is bouncing off this major area. Keep an eye on these today. Don't worry. We will walk you through these trades. Again, not to mirror or mimic ever, but so that you understand what we do, why we do, when we do, the things that we do to you. Oh, it's going to be a fun one today.
Coach, old hot stock GPUS. It's still going up pretty good.
Thank you. GPUS. We've been tracking that for a couple days now, haven't we, partner?
Yes, we did. We made money on it.
Yes, good. So GPUS. Same thing. Just make sure you guys are charting it out. You can see how long it takes for me to chart it out. Should take you less than 5-10 seconds. Chart the entire thing out. Done. You're ready to rock and roll, right? Make sure when you guys are charting this out, I love to use like green and red, knowing when I want to go long or when I want to short. The reason I do that is that way when I quickly come back to a chart, I will already know what I was putting in there, right? Like right here, if this goes above, if this goes below. This way I'm already set up for success, right? If you guys want to take it one step farther, as I've talked about before, you can simply go in here, go to drawings, make sure you put in the text. You can say previous day high. That way I know what it's doing. You can see that I had it over here before, right? There's pre-market high. We'll just grab that. Give me that. See that right there? So nice. Make sure you guys are all charting this out. It will help you throughout the day, right? Now, if you guys start to find yourselves that you've got just lines everywhere and it's just a mess, get rid of all that trash. I start literally every single day with a fresh chart. Now, sometimes I'll leave golds in there if I'm like, hey, this has been a big level. To be able to do that, all you need to do is click on this lock button right here, okay? So if you don't want that to disappear and you don't want to accidentally move it around and you want it to stay, just go with the lock button and you can keep it on your screen. Now remember, at gold level, to me, it hits that key area a bunch of times, whether it's become support and or resistance. I will use that as a gold level, meaning this is a major level for me to keep an eye on, okay?
Welcome to American Dream Trading's The Aftermarket live chat and watch party. I am Dawn, your host, aka J&J Video Reacts, and it's a stream. It's been created for you traders to come and chill after the market and have a place to reflect on your trades for the day. Maybe hear some of what happened in American Dream Trading today, and also to just basically decompress. The market can be stressful. And this is our way of giving you a place to come to kind of talk to people who know what you're going through because they've been through it. They traded probably with you throughout the course of the day. So kick back, relax. We're going to watch a few of Coach's videos tonight and pick them apart. Had a piece of hair hanging off that was like, ah. You ever have that? Like a piece of hair hanging and it's like, anyway. But yeah, so we're here to decompress, watch some of Coach's videos and key in on the strategies that he teaches us. Who is Coach? Coach is who you just watched in that video, Chad W. Christian. He's a 33-year stock market vet, and he is literally traded in every market condition imaginable. And he trains us how to do the same thing, how to get in trades, out of trades the proper way, and not how to chase call outs and things like that. We don't do that over here. We're trained the proper way. We use support and resistance so that we know when stocks are going to go up, go down, pull back. We know when to buy calls and puts whenever we're doing options. We know how to trade futures. Shout out to Mark McSee. If you've ever wanted to trade futures or learn how to trade futures, yes, we teach you how to do futures as well. 2:00 every day live on this channel is Mark McSee, who is a futures moderator, and he kind of runs the futures membership department over there, and he is extremely successful. He's been with the group 2.5 going on 3 years, as have I, and we are both moderators with American Dream Trading. So if you want to ask any questions, that is another good reason to be coming here. If you didn't get a chance to get in the Zoom call, if you're not a paid member, I can go ahead and help you do that by directing you to the link that is pinned to the top of the live chat right here. It's americandreamtrading.com. If you want to sign up, just go ahead over there. Right now, we've got a ridiculous 4th of July sale. The Diamond membership, which is the membership, it's the flagship membership that basically houses all of the memberships in one, because just to get them a la carte, they would run you about $5,000 a piece if you got them for the year. Well, with the Diamond membership for $20,000, you can get all of them, and there's about 10 of them. All right, so think about it. That's like $50K that you're getting half off for $20K. However, that's the normal price, and that's a discount. $50,000 worth of services for $20K is half off, right? A little more than that. Actually, that's that's like half off, more than half off. Anywho, a little less than half off. But if you were to get it anywhere between now and Sunday, because that's when the sale ends, the 4th of July sale. That's right. 5,000, right? Unbelievable. And he doesn't do that very often. When he did it recently, people scooped him up. Obviously, the value is so well worth it. So 4th of July, the Diamond membership, $5K. Get it. Do it now. Go to americandreamtrading.com and get signed up. Just look for the Diamond membership in the 4th of July sale. James L is in the back room here. He's backstage. Let me go ahead and let him up. James, what's going on, my brother?
Miss Dawn?
How are you?
I am wonderful, hon. Yourself?
I'm good. I'm good. How'd you do today? Did you trade?
I did.
Sweet.
Yeah, 2%. A little over 2% of my total account.
Way to go, man. I know you're shooting for 1%. Are you doubling it on purpose? Because the past few days you've said 2%.
No, actually, I did
It's working out that way.
I did my usual shares of TSLL this morning.
Okay.
Got a little profit there. And was watching TSLL, but then Coach started talking about SPY, and that whole moment in his voice, the inflection, and this is it. And so,
When you call something out, you better be looking
yeah.
seriously at getting in it.
So I jumped in small, 2 contracts in Spy,
That was smart. That was smart.
and just as a scout. So I was in and
You're
out of it
becoming
real
a
quick.
professional trader, James.
Well, and it's something that occurred to me today during that is that's a mistake that I've made quite frequently in scalping
Mhm.
is thinking, oh, well, it looks like it's going to continue. Let's hold it.
Right.
And gone. So no, I bought, actually, I take that back. I bought 4 because I bought 2 and 2 with stops.
Well, so you could shed maybe.
Right. So the first pop up in the candle, cancel the
Yeah.
stop, sold. The second candle that popped up, cancel the stop, sold. It did breathe back one little red candle and then took off for most of the rest of the day.
Nice.
Formed into an EWO and all that good stuff.
Nice.
Could I have made a lot more money? Sure. But I had a green day, so.
That's all that matters, bud. And you did it the right way. You got in with small position sizes. You got multiples so that you could shed. And you didn't get greedy and try to hold on too long. Good day, James.
I had to keep myself busy. I did. Just sitting there
Sometimes
watching it and hearing Coach continue to talk about it and Eric chiming in.
Yep.
And
Whatever it takes.
I shut the Weeble down and I'm on the YouTube and I'm on TikTok and I'm over here in Discord and I'm doing no, keep busy.
Whatever it takes, dude, to get your mind off of that being greedy and staying in and going in and over trading, anything to keep you from over trading and just staying focused. I'm so proud of you. That sounds like you had a well-rounded green day.
Yep.
That's awesome.
And,
that is awesome.
And I get to have a little bit of fun at Bruno's expense.
Why? What happened?
You notice the name?
Huh? What's that say? Hold on. I got to enlarge it if you don't want to tell me. Oh, he is going to make me work for it. Bounty hunter. Wow. Is that what we're calling him now?
No. That the bounty reward for the videos, $1 a video.
Oh, dude, I have to get off the Zoom call so I can edit and focus. So I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh, they started a new, they've had the rewards, content rewards.
Yeah.
Well, they started a new one.
Okay.
Basically, you like, comment, and share on a video, one of the ADT videos, and then post it on a social, and tag Coach in that posting.
And you get $1 a video.
And then you get $1 a video.
Wow, Coach is going all out to make sure that people are spreading the word. Do you guys hear that?
And
unbelievable.
I think I've been averaging anywhere from 10 to 20-ish a day since they started it.
$10 to $20?
Somewhere, I haven't kept an exact count.
Okay.
But since they started it, yeah, about roughly.
Nice. So how long has that been going on? I'm in the dark.
Few days.
Okay. Nice. Damn, that would have been cool to know about that. I could have done a promo for that. But okay. I'm better late than never.
There you go.
Yeah, that works. I'm so ingrained in what I'm doing. So yeah, but I had to because it distracts me if I stay on the Zoom. So, but I might want to keep it on in the background though, so that I hear stuff like that. But see, I don't want to end up. It's a catch-22,
Yeah. You're gonna hear something's gonna catch your attention while you're editing, and it's gonna end up in your edit.
Yep. And I'm gonna get off of what I'm doing and squirrel. You know what I mean? So, but I need to be able to catch stuff like that. So Anyway, I don't know. Maybe I'll just check in with Miranda and Arlo every day and Bruno and say, hey, is there anything I should know about since I'm not in the Zoom call? And that way, you know what I mean? So I think I'll do that.
What? Okay, I'm lost. What is TWB, Maria? She said no TWB.
I don't know that acronym. Don't know that one, but hi, Maria. What up? Who else is down there? Marlena, what's up, sweetheart? J Dog, Pebbles, what's going on? All right, our regular few we got in here.
Oh, okay. It's trading while bored.
Tomato 17, what's going on? Chad H is down there. I see the regular names are back, James. Darn Cricket, what's up, brother? Vegan Knowledge, what's up, sweetheart? Look, I turned her on to CapCut today, too. I started playing around with CapCut and just getting completely engrossed in it. I'm getting frustrated, though, because I do most of my edits from my phone, which I think may end up working out, but my iPhone storage is jacked. So they've been after me to get new phones. So I think I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and get new phones, especially with, being full-time editor now. So I need that thing crisp. I need to be able to move quickly with it. And it's been slowing me up. So I think I'm going to do that.
Well, have I got a deal for you?
Yeah, what's that?
There's this fabulous thing in the Discord called the Tech Cell. Coach has got some pretty awesome stuff in there.
Is he charging $75 for a new phone? Because that's what it's going to cost me through Verizon to upgrade my phone. I don't think so.
You should take it up with Coach.
I'm not trying to get him down that far. He's got some really cool stuff over there. And trust you me, if I had the money, I would be getting it. So one day I will, though. One day I'll be able to take him up on some of that stuff. But right now, we got to stick with Verizon and go ahead and just do the regular old upgrade. But they're going to upgrade both my phones for $75. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That needs to be done. So I ain't got to worry about all this storage crap.
I know. I get it.
Oh, yeah.
But that's why, I got the watch, the Galaxy Ultra watch he had. I bit the bullet on that because, well, my wife's got one, my son's got one, and they just constantly bragging about it and love it. And I see all the stuff they do with it. And then, he had it on like a third of retail price. Yeah, okay.
I love to hear you say eyes. I swear to God, I love that Texas accent, that price, right? Jesus Christ. I love it. I freaking love it. Oh, man. I wonder if...
See, I don't hear it.
Oh, man. I love that. I wonder if John Mayer's from Texas, because if you hear the song Gravity, he says twice. And I'm like, that's Texas all the way, dude.
Yeah, I don't know. It's possible. Or it could just be a speech impediment.
Nah, it's no speech impediment. You're not the only one with it then. Texans must have it.
Well, it is Texas.
That is cool. But, okay, so it is Watch Party Wednesday. We're going to do a couple of videos off a playlist. And usually I like to try to look to people in the chat to tell me what they want to focus on. You have any ideas? Anything you want to see, James?
Oh, yeah, I've seen so many of them.
Robin SoFlo, what's up?
There was actually a really good one I got a kick out of. I don't know if you can find it by title or...
I can try. Do you remember what the title was or what was in it?
Pattern reading in stock market.
Actually, let me preface that with American Dream Trading. Pattern reading in stock market?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Why was that not typing? Hey, no way. Stock market. All right. Let's see what we got here. Candle training. Masterclass. I don't see that. Let's. How to read combination candles. 2-minute EWO. I don't see that title, James. I typed it in like exactly like you said.
Well, here. Let me. I got you, Miss Dawn.
If you got it on your screen, share your screen and I can pull it in. I love the way we work together. Okay, I don't see pattern reading.
Do what?
I don't see pattern reading up there, giving me the wrong title.
Oh! I clicked the wrong video. My bad. My bad. I forgot I scrolled down.
Bucko, what's up? Robin So Flows down there. Way to go, man.
Okay, well yeah, no, that's the right video. The title on the tag is different than the title in the video.
Ah, okay. All right. Well, let's take a quick gander. You're gonna have to hit play. And maybe hit the lower right where you make it large.
Are you ready?
Yep.
So this was still good. This obviously was bad, right? You had a lot of sellers pushing it down. Now you better really be careful because you were in this range. You already knew you were in big trouble. And if not, you're about to find out.
Oh,
this right here
this
got
one. This
pushed
my
down.
favorite
You can see
one.
long wick to the top. This is an undecided, which means we were going to the up, which now means we probably going to go down. Right here,
Run
the
your
sellers
ass over,
pushing it
James.
down. This one was a 100% sure, telling you get the hell out of here. See the hammer? This hammer is like, dude, if you're still here, I am about to rip your heart out because you already saw it got pushed down here. You already saw a giant, tremendous candle. You already got a turn signal to go the other way, and there's your hammer. You better get out, and if not, I'm going to run you over.
That is one of my favorite videos. I love that video. That I used to watch that one and Jimmy all the time. I would watch that video so many damn times, dude.
Yeah, and it's like under a minute, quick fire, boom, 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 boom.
It teaches you. So you like that, huh?
Yeah.
Quick.
Well, you just when he did quick and does quick videos like that, he gets fired up about it, and it's just like.
Well, you just gave me an idea. How about we watch some shorts tonight? How about we switch it up?
Yeah, we can do that.
Let's do some shorts. Because that's exactly what the shorts are about. They give you the meat and potatoes, like straight to the point. If there's a quick trade he's in, bam, you're there, you know? All right, so let's pull up YouTube. And let's go through some shorts.
So this was still good. This obviously was bad, right? You had a lot of sellers pushing it down. Now you better really be
That's
careful because
weird.
you were in this range. You already knew you were in big trouble.
Dude, that's freaking weird. No way, man. I didn't plan that. But let's watch it again.
And if not, you're about to find out. This right here got pushed down. You can see long wick to the top. This is an undecided, which means we were going to the up, which now means we're probably going to go down. Right here, the seller's pushing it down. This one was a 100% sure, telling you, get the hell out of here. See the hammer? This hammer is like, dude, if you're still here, I am about to rip your heart out because you already saw it got pushed down here. You already saw a giant, tremendous candle. You already got a turn signal to go the other way, and there's your hammer. You better get out, and if not, I'm going to run you over.
Would that be a cup and handle, coach?
It is now. Yep, absolutely. 1,000,000% cup and handle now. Do you see why I got out of those puts?
Yes, sir.
Because if it's going to bounce, it will be now. So I need to wait. I got to now be patient and see, is it going to bounce and then force its way back up to that resistance again? Or are we going to knife drop back through this 599.70, which we had previous? So SPY is trying the cup and handle. You guys saw I got in it. I actually was up a little bit here and then it just pulled hard. That was not good. This should have had the continuous climb up. This is what I'm looking for. See the cup and now trying the handle? But if it can't hold this 200, this thing's going to flush. Yeah, there you go, SPY. Cup and handle, baby. Adding in. Come on, get up there. Get on up. Get up, get on up. Let's go. Yeah, baby, let's go. Come on. Come on, spike. Bounce right there. She is. I'll take half. Nice job. Little
Cue
deck.
the inspirational music.
Thank you. Yep, I'll take another stack.
James Brown up in there.
5 left. Nice. There's your cup and handle with a retest.
Okay, so you hear he's shedding, right? He's got 5 left. So that means he's able to take profit, right? So no matter what, he's going to be green here. And then now he's got runners in case it continues to run to the upside. That's the reason why you shed.
Who's your daddy?
It allows you to have your cake and eat it too. Take some profit, and instead of getting all the way out and say it continues to run and now you're missing out, you got profit and you're still in it.
Boom, I'll take the last. I'm out. It's another 2 grand. Now it's going to either knife drop hard or pop. And I made sure I got my money before it decided.
Why did he say it's going to knife drop or pop? Let me see in the chat. Take a look at the screen. Why did he say it's going to knife drop or pop? Look at everything on that screen. How does he know that? Is he psychic? How does he know that? I hope I see the answer. Well, let us know. Well, no, I know you know it. We need some more people up here on the panel too, y'all. What's happening? Come on, tell me why Coach knew this was going to pop or drop right here. Balor, who are you? What's going on? Jay Hearn, wow. We've got people that I'm not even familiar with answering this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. A double top.
Well, Don, you know, Coach kind of went a little AWOL the last couple of days on the sales, and so we've got a whole bunch of new members.
I know that. And the AmericanDreamTrading.com link is right up top, pinned. You don't have to search for it. So is my tip jar in case you guys want to, hook a sister up. But it is my birthday month. But yeah, right now, and I don't know if you guys heard me say this in the beginning, but if you didn't, I'm going to repeat it. Right now, we have all of our memberships. You've got the premium membership, which gives you the basics. It's like $250 a month. But really, the training gets super started and all the goodies when you join the VIP, and then there's the VIP Gold add-on. Both of those together would run you $5,000 a year. You can't get the VIP Gold without being a VIP member because it's an add-on. $5,000 a year for the year. Okay, if you get crypto membership for a year, that's $5,000. Futures, that's $5,000. I mean, $5,000, $5,000, $5,000, right? At least 10 services. And I mean, instead of paying $50,000, it's only $20,000 for the diamond. Right now, for the 4th of July, $5,000. So all you got to do is go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Tell them Dawn sent you. Look it up. Get it for $5,000. Yes, double top is the answer, right? Usually with a cup and handle, it could pop because it's a cup and handle. It did its pullback, but now it's headed back to the upside. So it could legit pop, but because it's also a double top and now a triple top because it's come here, pulled down, and now back there again, it could very well go down.
Decided that, right? If this pops, I'll add in again. If it drops, guess what? Drop the hammer to the downside. Oh, here we go. Another $2,000.
Would that be a cup and handle, coach?
It is now. Yep, absolutely. 1,000,000% cup and handle now. Do you see why I got out of those puts?
There she is. Hey, Marlena.
Hey, Don.
What's going on?
How you guys
Coach, does those lower high?
Would that be a cup and handle, coach?
Coach, does
What'd you say? You
Hey,
good?
guys, how y'all doing?
We're good. We're good. Thanks for coming up.
Yes, ma'am.
Marlena is really becoming a regular on the aftermarket over here. This is awesome. We need some people like her who don't mind getting up on the panel and sharing their thoughts and feelings and asking questions. Come on, y'all. Come on. That's what it's for, right? Thank you for being here, sweetheart.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. And if you see anything that you don't understand on these videos or you want us to stop it, hey, wait a minute. What did he mean by that? Or what does that mean? Let us know, okay?
Okay, will do.
All right, let's go.
does those lower highs there on SPY, does that give you more confidence to the downside, or does that not mean anything?
No. I like the way you're thinking. All I'm seeing here, though, honestly, is consolidation. So even though this has come down, if we look right here and right here, this is the channel, right? So even though it drove up and then down, all I see is up, down, up, down, up, down right now. Yeah, I can't make a definitive like, yeah, it's coming down. I don't see that yet. All this is, gang, this is just sitting in a channel to me. So you could just trade this whole channel until it does something, right?
So there's really no weight then on those last few candles and the wicks on the top of them?
Nope, not at all. Nope.
Okay.
Not at all.
Thank you.
Oh, right here. This is setting me up for a downside. Right here. We talked about this already on this setup. The break of 597.30 to the downside. We talked about this setup. Waiting for the break and hold.
Okay. So how did he know, right? How did he know that was continuing to the downside? What is it? What behavior is it showing right now? It's a two-word action. What did it just do? Let me see down in the chat. Marlena, if you know it, shout it out.
Okay.
Red meat and whiskey. James!
Well, somebody said they were having trouble trying to decide what they wanted for dinner.
Maria says she's working, but she's almost finished. Does that mean you're going to grace the panel with your presence this evening, Miss Eminem?
Okay.
Come on, somebody tell me what's going on here.
So let's look at that. Okay.
What you think?
Okay. Now, when I'm looking at the chart, are we looking at the very to the furthest to the right?
Yes, we are. We're looking for this right here. I'm trying to get you to tell me what this is doing, why Coach is now. Because remember, he just said it's in a channel, right?
Okay.
Which means most likely it's going to stop here because you can see it double bottomed out right here, right? So it's going to it double topped right here, and it's just going to continue to do this. But it did something different right here. You see what it's doing? It's coming past that. What's that called? or it looks like it's trying to do what
Is
I'm
that going like up to the upside? Oh, I see what you're looking. Is that a backwards? Oh, that's a cup and handle, because I have heard him talk about that, but that handle is kind of long.
But see this line right here that
Okay.
he's got drawn out for this double bottom? What that looks like it wants to it's already kind of past these candles. So what is he looking for to happen here? It's called a what? A break and what?
A break and hold?
Yes, ma'am, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we talk about hold, so what's the difference when we're talking about a break and hold? Are we talking about like maybe not resistance, but what's the word I want to say?
It begins with an S. What does a floor do when it's under you? What is it doing to you?
It sustains me. It holds me up, right?
Right.
Okay.
It supports you, right?
Yep.
So you got resistance up here, which is it's pushing upwards. This is resistance. When you're falling down, think of this as a ceiling. Think of this as a floor.
Okay.
Resistance, support. That's what we call it.
Okay. Okay.
So when it breaks through that support level, now it hasn't done it yet, but coach said he was setting up. He didn't say he was in it. He said he was setting up, which means it looks like it wants to possibly break and hold this channel to the downside. That's when he'll get in it.
Oh, okay. So that would be a perfect entry setup.
Correct. You want this candle to break through this line, and then you want another confirming candle to constitute the hold.
Okay. Okay.
Not just the break. If it breaks, it could still just bounce back up. Okay. You want to break and hold. I want another candle under that line showing me, oh yeah, I'm to the downside. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So that's what he's looking for here. Who did I just let in?
Miss Dawn?
Yeah.
On that subject, when this video's done, I've actually got it's not a short, but I've got the perfect video loaded up.
Okay, perfect. Perfect.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey. Is that Chris?
Is that Mr.
Chris.
D?
Hey,
Mr.
Chris.
Crypto guy.
Hey. Chris,
listen,
the crypto guy.
Yeah, hey, listen, I'm just in here for a few minutes.
Okay, awesome.
I wanted to steal your show for a second. Is that okay?
It is completely okay. What you want to talk about?
1,000.
Listen, I have got a kick-ass deal. Excuse my language.
All right, let them know about it.
Here's the deal. You better get ready, because I'm going to post this link, and it's only going to be for a few people, all right? So don't be throwing out the shit if you don't get it. I'm sorry. You better be ready to go, okay?
Does that mean you only have a limited supply, Chris?
I'm only been authorized a couple of these to do it. We gave some with the memberships, and I'm gonna do it here for you. Ready? 1 month of crypto, $100.
What?
$100.
Oh,
Renews at your regular rate after that, but $100. Grab it quick. We're gonna be having our Zoom tonight, 7:15, in about 2 hours. 2.5 hours? If you grab that and get it in there, you'll be able to join us tonight. And this is not one that you want to miss. I'll tell you that right now.
Okay, so I need to jump in and say something. If you are really seriously wanting to learn crypto, Chris is one of the best trainers in crypto I've ever heard or seen. I've seen YouTube videos on it. I've heard countless people talk about it. He is so thorough, right? And he takes his time and he does not mind answering questions. So you want to be in that Zoom.
Yeah. I'll tell you right now, there's so much trash out there in the crypto world. I remove all that. So
yes, he does.
We teach you how to do it. We use coaches teaching and his mechanisms. We apply all of that into crypto and we build it out. And I tell you, what we're building out there, the best in the industry. And you know why? Because I make sure that we throw out all that crap that's out there, because we're not going to be like the other people that are like, oh, you got to buy this, and then they sell it on you and they dump it on you. We're not doing any of that. We're showing you how to trade and how to think for yourself. We're using coaches' strategies and we're applying them to crypto, and we show you how to mitigate the risk. I wish that I had this training years back, and now I get to give it to you guys. 10 plus years of trading it. And I tell you, I'm giving it away at $100. I shouldn't be doing it, but I am. But I figure, you know what? We've got some people that want to join. They want to check it out. They want to see how things go. I put the link in there. We're gonna go ahead. 4th of July sale. Coach is gone. He's already out for the weekend. He's not gonna be back till Monday. And so you know what? We'll have a little fun here. Yeah, I got approval to do it. But we're gonna have a play. I'll play.
Nice. Woohoo!
Hell
Awesome. You listen, anytime you need to steal a few minutes in the show and come say something like that, you do it, okay? I have no problem with that.
I'm
Is
going to
awesome.
stop in for a little bit, Chris, because I do have some questions. I don't know how long I'll be able to stay.
All right. Well, you come tonight. We'll answer what we can. Now, here's the other thing, okay? Shh. Keep it quiet. Don't tell anyone.
What's up?
Crypto lifetime. $2,500.
Are you kidding me?
$2,500.
Are you kidding me? Does he know you're doing that? Well, he does now.
No, he does. He does. Yeah. He
okay.
does.
Okay.
He told me I could give a couple. I could do it to cover a couple. So.
Oh my god.
Like I get to play around here. So, all right, $2,500 for a lifetime. That it's $250 a month. Let me tell you something. The people that are out there that are training crypto, $250 is a drop in the bucket.
Yes.
It is usually a lot more than that. And
that's Gilly.
When things get ramped up, it's not going to be $250. What I train in there, easily worth way more than that. Okay.
Oh yeah.
If you hold crypto and you go, and let's say you've got some Bitcoin, all right, maybe you've got some Ethereum, whatever. Well, guess what? You're just holding on to that sucker. When things hit new highs, we teach you how to hedge, so that way you don't run the risk of it dropping and losing all those gains. So you get to keep all that money that you earned. I can't tell you how many times I'd see Bitcoin go up. Oh, I'm up 50 grand, 60 grand. Oh, I'm down 50 grand the next day. All right.
Wow.
$2,500. The crap that we're teaching in there, what you're going to learn. I say crap. It's not crap. This is freaking gold. What you're learning in there and what you're going to be, that is going to be, I can't make guarantees, but what I'm teaching you, if you can apply it and you start learning it, and what coach has taught us here, it's going to take what you're doing in crypto or in trading to way beyond. Yeah, the next level. All right. So I can't make promises, but I can tell you the training is kick ass. So
come on, guys. Got to take advantage of that.
I know little to nothing about crypto, and I've been in there a couple of times, and just from what I've seen, I'd almost be willing to say that, Chris gets it going. It's going to be up there with that 20K Diamond Lifetime.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be more than that.
Yeah, because that's a whole separate entity and you can trade it 24/7. Come on. You learn how to trade crypto, you're in it. You're in the game. And that's where the future's going anyway, right?
100%. I'll tell you, I'm going to break this. All right. Here's the deal. The future, in my opinion, this is just my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. The future of all trading is in crypto. All right. Mm-hmm. You want to get in early in this now. And I don't just mean future of crypto is in crypto. I mean future of stocks,
currency,
future of currency, future of futures contracts, future of everything is going to be wrapped into it in one way or another. So, get in there early. I'm not just pumping it up, guys. I here's the deal. I'm a no bullshit person. All right, I know I need to put money in the swear jar like 3 times today. Okay,
Get it
but
in there. Get it in there.
All right, Chris, we're not going to judge.
I don't sell stuff unless I believe in it, and I'm not even selling it. I'm telling you about it. I'm telling you about it because I believe in it, and because I know what's out there, and I know what is needed in the crypto community. I have been in it. I have seen everything. I've been a part of it. I want to get rid of all of that crap. So we're doing something new. We're showing you how it's supposed to be done, and we're not gonna do the pump and dump stuff and the groups that all these whale groups to get together and they buy a coin and they dump it on you so that you get destroyed. We're not doing any of that. We're showing you how to think for yourself. We're showing you what to look for. We're showing you how to mitigate your risk. So, all right, I didn't mean to steal your show, but I had to.
You're good, bud. You're good. We need that.
All right, that link it's in YouTube. I don't know how to put it anywhere else, Don, if you can do that, but it is in YouTube. You can go on there. Okay. Well, it's in YouTube. It's on there right now. I don't know if if it gets to the other places, TikTok or whatever, but
we're not actually on there. We're here.
Okay. All right, $100, 1 month, renews at the regular rate. Get it. $2,500 if you want the lifetime. Get it. That's it.
Thank you, Chris. That is amazingly awesome, guys. You got to take advantage of that. If you are interested in crypto, which hopefully you are, because the future is crypto, take advantage of that so you can get in that class tonight and see what he's talking about. You will not be sorry. It's worth it. So now that we have basically slammed you with that amazing crypto deal, let's get back to the training, shall we? Let's see. Let's pull that video back up that we were watching and finish it out. Let's see if this breaks and holds, Marlena.
597.30. I'll go small, and I could add in if I like it. I'm in it. Very small. Oh, it's bouncing around here, but I'm still in it. Still in it. As long as it stays below 597.30, I'm still in it.
Coach, does those lower highs there on SPY, does that give you more confidence to the downside, or does that not mean anything?
No. I like the way you're...
Okay, so it started over, I think, but it did break and hold.
You're thinking. All I'm seeing here, though, honestly, is consolidation. So even though this has come down, if we look right here and right here, this is the channel, right? So even though it drove up and then down, all I see is up, down, up, down, up, down right now. Yeah, I can't make a definitive like, yeah, it's coming down. I don't see that yet. All this is, gang, this is just...
This right here kills most new traders that don't have the account size to take advantage of channel trading. I'm telling you now, it'll eat you up, especially in futures. If you don't learn how to be patient and wait for a break and hold and a steady rise or decline with back-to-back candles on the shoulder, you're going to get eaten alive with chop. So you got to learn how to do exactly what he does here, and that is wait.
Just sitting in a channel to me. So you could just trade this whole channel until it does something, right?
So there's really no weight then on those last few candles and the wicks on the top of them?
Nope, not at all. Nope.
Okay.
Not at all.
Thank you.
Oh, right here. This is setting me up for a downside. Right here. We talked about this already on this setup. The break of 597.30 to the downside. We talked about this setup.
See, there's the break right there. You see it?
Let me see. I was trying to bring it up on my desktop too so I could see it a little bit better.
See how it broke that line right there?
Okay. Let me see here. There's a little...
Make sure my blind ass. Let me...
I know, I was looking. It's so crazy, Don. Some of my days are so crazy. I work like 13-hour days, but in between those days, I do my damnedest to study.
Wow.
I work.
That's a long day.
Yeah, it is. So my second job, I don't have to go to today. So I got the time to sit here and just study.
Right. That's so awesome. See, you're invested in your future.
Oh, yeah. No, my whole goal is to transition into trading and do this, for the rest of my life, because there's no way. I looked at the calculations. There's no way I could retire like this and work another I think I talked to the retirement guy. He was talking about I got another 26 years of working, and I've already been working for what? It's going on 26 years.
Yeah, look, let me
I
tell
was
you
looking
something.
at my buddy. I said,
You are in the right place at the right time.
oh yeah, and then AI
Oh yeah.
is changing. I'm seeing some of my workload is being already,
Shifted.
yeah, it's different. Some of these things that I used to do is being automatically dropping on its own, processing
Yeah.
itself. So
So you may not have a choice. They may say goodbye to you before you even think about saying goodbye to them. So yeah, get the skills. You're
yes.
doing the right thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So yeah, it did break that level right there. So now we're gonna see that it holds, which is giving it another candle under it.
Set up. Waiting for the break and hold. 597.30. I'll go small, and I
There's
could
the
add in if
break.
I like it. I'm in it. Very small.
There's
It's
the
bouncing
break right
around here,
there.
but I'm still in it. Still in it. As long as it stays below 597.30, I'm still in it.
Coach, does those lower highs?
Yep. That break and hold. Now, most likely that candle probably turned red and went back down. So let's go to the next video. Let's see what we got going on.
Okay.
You want to see the?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hold on.
If I want to stay in a trade for,
You know what the beauty about this is?
What?
This is one of the older videos.
Mm-hmm.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
So much has changed in the last 2 years.
Yeah.
But the lesson is the same.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Okay. Oh, here you go. Here's a break and hold lesson right here. Go ahead. Hit the play,
Right?
brother.
We're talking about it now. Break and hold, right? If this candle stays up in here and we get a new candle higher, that's a break and hold, right? Yeah, we're doing 1 minute candle always on a scalp, right? This is a scalp. There you go. There's your break and hold. See it? If this broke through and pulled right back down, it didn't hold anymore, right? So, of course, this is more of a dangerous zone, but I'm telling you, this looks better than sitting down here, doesn't it? Now we've got potential more to the upside. Am I right? So we dip a Danny DeVito toe. This is where I talk about sizing. Watch me do this. I've now sized in a smaller position size with Google, and this is what I'm talking about. If this pulls back, it doesn't hurt me that bad, right? If this starts to go to the upside, I add to the up, right? I add to the positive side. I never add when I'm losing. Because if it starts to go up, I was right at the time of entry. So now it is planning to go up, correct? Does that make sense to everybody? So I won't go heavy here because we know this is a danger zone. We're scalping. I can scalp now if I want. I mean, you can see right here, I'm already to the green, right? I have room to go on Google. We know 100 is going to be support. If it can't hold 100, we get it the hell out. Right there it goes. You see how it's going to the upside? Trying to add more on Google here. Can't add. It's going too fast. I'll just cancel the order. Chasing it. Now you're in a positive on Google. Do you see it? There you go. There it goes. So did that make sense to everybody? That's a break and hold.
That is awesome.
Nice.
James, I'm kind of liking how we're bouncing back and forth with these
almost done.
videos.
It's about
It
to
works
clock.
pretty good.
Minute.
Hi, how are you?
Sorry about that.
All
Can you
right.
guys hear me okay?
We can. Yep.
Okay. My battery's going dead. Let me go ahead and plug this in.
All right. Let's see what we got here.
is what charts should I be looking at that time?
7 to 30. Okay. Typically, if I'm going to go that far, it's usually going to be around the hour or the 4 hour. You see this? These are typically good charts to be looking for. See here?
Okay.
And then you're going to do the exact same thing we do like our regular charting, right? Just like this. This will give you a full 30-day picture here on the 4 hour. And then when I'm actually setting up, I'm looking more at the 1 hour right here. See this?
Right.
So if I'm drawing my line, my trends just like this. So you can see B has been going up for a long time. See it?
Right.
LD, you got your hand up. Go. LD, you got your hand up. Go.
Hey, can you kind
Coach,
So this was still good.
Coach, does those lower?
LD, you got your hand up. Go.
Oh my God. So Coach, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna have to edit that out, buddy. So he don't get a copyright strike. Yeah, I like Tom Cruise, okay?
Oh, how do
I
I?
watch like Tom Cruise videos. What's up?
Oh, I was trying to make my camera where you could see more of me, but I guess I'm on the phone. I guess it's only allowing me to do so much. So.
Yeah, yeah, sideways landscape that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, thank you. I was like, what is this phone doing?
All right. So that concludes our watch party for tonight because I want to give everybody kind of time to go ahead and get ready for Chris's class as well. James, I love the bouncing back and forth with the videos. I love that. So if you have some, get yourself a couple of playlists together for next week and we'll play them and we'll play some of mine and see what people have that they want to watch. That's awesome.
Yeah, sounds great. And
Sounds good. Thank you so much, Don. And I'm gonna try to put some questions together so we'll have like the Wednesdays watch party. I could probably bring something that I might have a question about.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for being here, Miss Lady.
Thank you. I'm working on everything. So if you guys come up with anything that maybe I should look at or a video or something like that, I'll go in Discord and pull it up and study it.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, you're right here with the place that that has the most, right?
Yep.
A lot of content on this channel. So take advantage of that for sure.
It's a wealth of it. Yeah, it's so much. So
and
yeah,
then
I appreciate you guys.
Did you say you have a diamond? You have a diamond. So yeah, you have access to all the videos.
Everything. Yep.
On Discord and here. So you got the cream of the crop videos, the stuff that's not even in the videos on YouTube. You got all access because there's workshop classes, there's mastermind classes, there's breakout room classes, all kinds of extra stuff that's not on YouTube. So you have access to that as a diamond. Got to get that diamond membership, y'all.
Yes, it is a lot of information. If you don't have it, I highly recommend it.
See, you got a member right here telling you. It's not even Coach saying it or Mod. It's a new member, a diamond member. You get so much for that.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So much help, so much support, and wonderful people, good-hearted people, too. So they definitely have your best interests.
We do. Thank you for saying that. Appreciate that. James, what's up, buddy? Were you going to say something?
Yeah, I've actually got I've got Wheel of Fortune loaded up for next week.
Nice.
Oh, I can't wait for that. That's going to be fun.
Well, I've got some things to clear with the mod to try to work out some details, but I will say, gonna want to get some new people up here.
Yep. That is amazingly awesome, guys. You heard them. We probably should pitch it more in the Zoom call, you think? Because you're probably saying that. You're probably saying that a lot too in the Zoom call, aren't you? Come on up to the panel, because I heard you recruiting people to come to the panel. You said.
Yeah.
So I've been mentioning it when I'm in there. So that's what we got to do, right?
Right.
We'll get them here. All right, gang. I am going to
end with Coach's rules.
I'm going to end with Coach's rules, but there's another one that I wanted to end with. Hold on one second. There's another one. I thought it was in here, but I guess not. It's got to be here. I just saw it. Oh, well. I think I just found it. All right. I'm going to end with the coach talking about his videos and what we have on YouTube. And then we're going to go into coach's rules. All right. Everybody have a great night. I will talk to you mañana.
Have a wonderful night, you guys.
Let's
You
take
too,
a
darling.
peek. By the way, if you guys are watching this, we have thousands. Let me repeat that. Thousands of videos to help you. Coach, well, I don't know where to start. Really? Coach, do you guys do any training out there? Are you a reputable business that perhaps has more training than anybody on planet Earth for even their free members? Maybe. Maybe we do. Just maybe. Now, I want you guys to look at these view counts. And look how sad this is. What a sad moment. 86, 200, 150. Guys.
This is bullshit, Coach. I want my free back.
Yeah. This is crazy. There should literally be tens of thousands, if not 100,000 views on these, right? So everybody do your part. Thank you to all 7 of you that listened today and tweeted at least out there. So thank you to 7 people out of 100,000 watching today. I appreciate that. Notice I'm still going. Every time you see me scroll the page, this is 16 videos, right? There's four rows. Look at this. We're still going. I want you guys to understand how much free training and education is out here. I want you to understand why when I say we have more free training and education than any stock market trading company in the history of what we do, I'm not exaggerating in any way. You guys all still see this, right? I mean, this is nuts. This is nuts, right? Oh my God. Do you know how much money I spent on this? This is crazy.
Would it be too much, Coach, if I told you I watched them all?
No, it wouldn't. I would love your face. I would love your face for that. But you guys understand, right? What I'm trying to tell you is we have more free training and education than anybody. Get over there. You guys can go to videos. If you go to my playlists, go to the playlists. You can see every one. What is it you're looking for? Scalp, support, basic mechanics, EWO, position sizing, VWAP strategies, entry and exit strategies. And look how many videos are in here. Training and strategies, 49 videos. Do you guys see all this? They're all broken up. 97 videos on how to use the shedding strategies. 109 videos on stock market candle training.
AT University for the win.
Thank you. 155 videos if you wanted to know how to use our indicator strategies. I need you guys to understand how much time, energy, effort, resources have gone into this. And it is so sad when I see, well, there's 12 people that viewed it. Like, what the hell? Get over there. Watch the videos. Click the things. Do the stuff. Clickety, click, clickety, clack, click, click, clack. Thank you. Appreciate you. Love your faces. All right, I'm going to take off. You guys remember all the rules. You must follow all of them. Not some. You don't get to sprinkle in your own and leave mine out. You must follow all the rules. Always have a stop loss in each and every trade. If you're a new trader, make sure you are simulate trading only using a paper account. I don't want anybody losing their money while you are in training. Make sure you guys are using small position sizes. This will allow you to let those runners run and stop out the losers. Again, stops on every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Make sure you guys are journaling every single day. It's one of the most important pieces of what we do on top of the risk management so that you can help assess what you are doing and make the changes that you need to do. Don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader. And if you are an experienced trader, please be careful the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the trading day.